It's been a minute since I did some car stuff, but I'm trying to change the transmission oil on this 2015 Kia Forte, just see if y'all ever need anything. So this is the transmission fluid housing right here. To get to it, you'll have to remove the air box filter, the hose for the intake valve, the map valve, and then there is the fill plug right there on the top. You want to take like a little 3/4 inch extension, right? You'll put that right in there, you know, lift it loosey, break it open, whatever, right? So then we're going to raise the car. And then right here, once you fill it up, this is going to be where you want to open it up with the same 3/4 inch extension to open that, so it'll start pouring out. But the drain plug is right here. I want to say it's like a 15 or 17 socket. So, but mind you, I've been driving around most of the day, so fluid's gonna be pretty hot. So I gotta be careful. And I don't got gloves either. So I was wrong. It's not a 22. It's a 24-inch socket that you use to take the drain plug off. And make sure y'all take a look at the drain plug, because there was a lot of good going there. Trust me, I think this car is 10 years old, and this might be the first time that freaking transmission fluid got changed. So there is nothing but, as you see, oil and shavings in there. Make sure y'all get that cleaned all the way off good. And I'm doing this last minute, so I didn't even think to get a new washer for it, because I'm just doing this for this PCS lead. But you really want to get a new washer and a transmission filter, but I didn't do neither, so this is what I gotta do right now. All right, so now I done drained the transmission fluid reservoir. So now next is just to screw this off of here. It's probably hot, so I don't want to burn myself, but screw it off in there. Gonna lay this up over here, and now we're going to fill it up. We're probably about a quart and a half, and see what we do, and then we're gonna lift it back up. Open the port right down there to, let's see right there, yeah, open that port down there, whatever, just to see if the fluid's running out. If the fluid's not running out, we're going to add more fluid to it. If it does, that means we can stop.